first few million years after the sun formed, there were no planets to see it rise. Just clouds of dust and gas. Over tens of millions of years, the dust began to stick together and form the first rocks. Eventually, gravity assembled the rocks to create planetary embryoes that in time formed the 4 closest planets to the Sun.
Years ago, a young planet veers into the Earth's orbit.
We have the Earth sitting here, and another planet about the size of Mars came in and smacked us hard.
The two collide at over 25,000 miles an hour, 12 times faster than a bullet. Blasted out at 20,000 miles an hour, orbits the molten Earth. Gravity brings the debris together. The result? Our moon.